Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how you can make this quick and simple flatbread. For this recipe I used salt, olive oil, water and flour. Put the flour in a bowl, add a pinch of salt and give it a whisk. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and lukewarm water. Mix it with your hand and place the dough on a well-floured surface. Knead it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. If the dough is too wet and sticky, add some extra flour. Cut the dough in two and knead it in your desired shape. Then roll the dough until you have your flatbread. Heat oil or butter in a skillet over medium to high heat. Put the flatbread in the skillet and cook until both sides are golden brown. And that is how simple it is. I like to pair it with this delicious coconut chickpea curry, and on other days I like to make a quick 5-minute pizza out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.